Hi, welcome to Info Magazine's channel. Do you want to know how to get a larger penis? If yes, I suggest you keep watching this video until the end. I am about to reveal the secrets on how to get a larger penis. Learn how to get a larger penis with these tips. Gain massive girth to your penis and satisfy your partner. Here are some best tips to make your penis larger. 1. Penis enlargement exercises. The first method you can use for lengthening the penis are penis exercises. Some of the more popular exercises include wet milking and Kegels. These two are proven to be very effective in lengthening not only the shaft physically, but also allow for harder, longer erections. That will make any woman want more and more of you. 2. Penis enlargement pills. There are actually a lot of supplements out there that you can use in order for you to lengthen your shaft. There are various types and brands of supplements that you can take. Just one piece of advice: make sure that you are taking supplements that have been sourced from natural ingredients, and one you bought from a reputable person or company. 3. Penis traction devices. Traction devices like penis pumps and penis extenders can be used in order to make your penis longer. These devices are usually available online or your local sex shop. You apply these devices to your penis, and if used properly, consistently, and carefully, you will indeed find yourself with a longer manhood in no time. 4. Penis surgery. You can opt for surgery if you can afford the procedure. It involves the lengthening of the fundiform ligament and suspensory ligament that attach to the pubic bone. While this can be effective, the healing process sometimes will actually shorten the length if certain steps are not done properly. The dissatisfaction rate with this surgery has been reported as high as 70%. These tips to make your penis longer have been employed by many other men, and they have experienced success with it. Now, you can too. Try it and see your penis grow bigger in time. And for more tips and information about best and safest ways to get a larger penis, and see a big difference within days, then you need to visit the link below on description www.infomagazines.com/health-and-fitness/men-health/how-to-get-a-larger-penis-fast-safely/thank you for watching. And please, don't forget, subscribe and like and share. Thanks.